Welcome to Whisky Invest Direct, the smarter way to invest in whisky. Whisky is a unique asset class offering stability, diversification, and long-term value. Unlike traditional whisky investments, Whisky Invest Direct allows you to buy and sell by the litre, rather than full casks, which enables greater portfolio diversity. Getting started is easy. Simply log in to access the trading platform. You can explore whisky investments in 3 ways: live order board, quick buy packages, and pre-orders. The live order board is the marketplace where you can buy and sell whisky stocks in real time. You can use filters to find specific distilleries, years, and price trends. The person symbol represents whisky lines you already own. Graphs help track trading price trends, showing whether prices are rising, stable, or declining. The order panel lets you select distilleries, including year and quarter, investment volumes, price and order quantity. Note the Buy-Sell tabs on the order panel. As a buyer, green bricks represent buy orders. This is where investors can place a bid for whisky stocks they wish to purchase at a price of their choosing. This will only be matched if a seller is willing to meet the price. Amber bricks represent sell orders, investors offering their stock for sale, creating an opportunity to buy. Clicking an amber brick will automatically populate the Buy tab of the order panel. This panel allows the buyer to choose how many litres they would like to purchase. Users then click the Buy Bid button to confirm their order. Note, you will only be able to buy according to the maximum funds in your account. As a buyer, if you wish to create a green brick buy offer for a specific line, you can do so by filling in the Buy tab on the order panel. Select your own price, volume, and then click Buy Bid. If you find that your sale or buy bid offer does not appear in the amber bricks, this is because only the top 3 bid offers on the platform appear. For a faster approach, choose from our quick buy packages based on investment preferences. The minimum you can spend is £100. With just a few clicks, you can own a diversified whisky portfolio. Pre-orders let you secure future whisky stocks before they become available. Simply set the amount you wish to invest, confirm your order, and wait for allocation. You can easily monitor your portfolio and track value changes over time. You will find this on your account balance page by navigating to Account Balance on the ribbon at the top of the screen. It's also possible to monitor both pending and completed buy-sell orders by navigating to History Orders in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Whisky Invest Direct offers a smarter, more flexible way to invest in whisky. Sign up today and start building your whisky portfolio.